So I've got a problem. Heard a little extra racket. Came back here and looked for what was causing it. And these Kubota balers on these rollers in here have these, I'm not sure, I guess it helps start the bale or something, these things welded on. Anyhow, they have like a little knife thing almost, I guess, to keep trash out. Anyhow, for some reason one of those is bent over, so it was knocking on it. Trying to get the thing pulled out. It had a, I've actually about got it out here. It had this piece up in here with a bolt through there. So I was able to get the bolt out. And this piece was coming out kind of in front here. So I just took a sledgehammer and adjusted its location. So I'm hoping this thing's gonna slide out of there and that I can just go bale hay without it. I hope it's not necessary because I don't want to have to put it back in. So maybe that'll be one less thing to worry about later. But I'm not sure. Hay may try to come off the bale and jam up in there without that spacer in there. So I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Well, got a big gap in there now, so I hope it still works. Got this thing down here now. This one, for some reason, must have got out of line and just bent right over. So I'm gonna throw this piece on the back of the truck and see if I can get back to baling. Uh-oh, seems like I ate something in this baler. What's this wood doing? I believe I ate a fence post. What's this? Yank. More fence post. What else do we got in here? Ay. Well, I know Kubota can eat fence posts, because I got plenty of pieces in here. Not exactly what you want. Anyway, not exactly good, but hopefully we didn't mess too much up. It bent one of the pickup teeth, so I gotta try to straighten that out, but